We'll guide you through how to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying as you're then unable to go and talk in games. So we've got some different fixes you can try. You can follow this whether the voice chat isn't showing up in the actual game in Roblox or in your Roblox settings. So to get started, we need to head to our Roblox settings. Go to the top right and press the gear or cog icon and press settings. Here we are. So first of all, you need to make sure your phone number is verified. So come down to phone number, you can see mine is here. So if you haven't gone and already added it, you can press add phone, add it, and then verify it. After you've done that, what you want to try doing is coming over to the left, pressing privacy and content restrictions, find the option for communication, then you can find voice chat. And what you want to do is go and switch on enable microphone. Confirm this here and press enable. However, if you're finding this setting is still missing, then what you may need to do is go and verify your age. So come back to account info, enter in your birthday and press verify my age. You need to use ID to go and verify it. And after you have verified your age, go back to privacy and content restrictions, find communication and find voice chat, and then try switching it on. When this is switched on, when you go to a Roblox game, in the top left, you just then have the mic icon and you can click it and you're unmuted and you can use it. Leave a like if you found this useful.